This is NT Road to the World Cup 13980. If we get a France card, we will do a little randomy for Francie. Otherwise, let's get into it. Yep, Bailey's got the break order under control. Oh, that's racist. I don't think you can say that, Keaton. There's a very nice card on the back. I don't know whether to show it first or last. I'm going to show it first because of what it is. It is a printing plate, but it is none other than Lionel Messi. Still get very good money for that. International Treasures set, Lionel Messi printing plate. No, don't apologise to DDC. If you didn't say it, I would have said it. Don't worry, Keaton. I need to cover this up. Marquinhos, 62 of 99 for Brazil. (22 of 25), Emil Forsberg for Sweden. For Chile, Mauricio Pinilla, 43 of 99. Player want. Johnny Stones, 14 of 99 for England, Colossal Materials. Hey, he won trivia this week, so... Well, he didn't win, but he won something. So he's back. He's back. Fair game. Musa, 13 of 99, USA. That's a not associated, that one. Changes every card, you're not sure. Courtois, 47 of 49, Belgium. Rodrigo Bentancur. He lost because the buzzer broke. My ass it did. 61 of 99. That's for Uruguay. The buzzer broke. Yeah, all right, DDC. Yeah. The buzzer broke. Ringer does a lot. I don't think people understand what he does. Johnny Hettinga, 8 of 25, legendary signatures for the Netherlands. 14017. I don't believe so, although I don't know what it is. Second last card is for France, so we are doing a random. Frank Leboeuf, 3 of 49. From April 20. I'm going to keep that out so I remember. And the last card is another one for Argentina. 4 of 25. A little legendary signatures box. Hernan Crespo. I don't know him. How many was that? 3. 3 legendary signatures. We need to random off France. Was he any good? France coming out of that list. And onto your screens right here. 5 times on this list. After 5, the team on the top is going to get France. It is Senegal. I would assume one of the cheaper teams. Yep, $20. France, Senegal. And who got him? Rudy Sheck. And that is it for 13980.